Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Hope you guys all had good weekend. Okay, so guys, if you guys see, we don't have any swing trading stocks for now because I'm going to make a dedicated video tomorrow where I have a lot of swing trading stocks. Okay, and market is kind of bullish and I have few stocks which can be added to our watch list. Okay, so that video will be coming out tomorrow, but tomorrow market might be a very slow, guys, because next week is going to be holidays again, so market might be slow. Okay, so let's start with Nifty. If you guys see, we did not get our level, so we did not enter any trades, but we are waiting on it still. I'm still waiting on the same level, that is 22,545 and above is where my buying level is, and my stop loss at 22,475. Okay, so I know this manipulation has happened, it is totally fine, but this is a very strong support, that is why I kept my stop loss here. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. It gave us an entry here at 10:45. I entered and I was holding this trade. I'm still holding it. I don't have any new positions. I can't add any new positions is because see, this is a very good resistance. Okay, this is a very good resistance where it has to bounce and go back, but let's see how it goes, guys. If it comes down also, it's totally fine, but we were holding it from here, guys. Okay, we were holding it from here. It is a very long run. We are holding it from here. It came down and then went up. Let's see how much. See, it's almost 1,000 point of rally we captured in Bank Nifty, which is huge. Okay, now we have US oil. If you guys see, it is stuck. Okay, I don't see any pattern or anything in this place. This is like a consolidation phase where it's not going up or down, so I'm looking forward to buy it only post $87, 55 cents and above is where I'll be looking forward to buy it. My target will be at $89. Yeah, and selling, I'll be only selling post $85.15 and below. That too, selling will be very small. It's because it will be a counter trend. Until unless this trend line is not broken solidly, we can't look forward to sell it. Next is gold. If you guys see, exactly on this, I told this above this resistance I'll be buying it. So once I bought it, hit my stop loss. Then I bought it again here. Okay, and exactly at I think later I got this candle. If you guys see, at 6:15 candle, 6:15, 6:30 I entered and I'm holding this trade still. So we are sitting at 1:4 now, which is totally fine. I don't know till where it's gonna go, but I'll be adding more position only post 2,330 and above. Okay, so that's it for this analysis video, guys. I hope you guys got some information. This is just my view on the market. This is not any kind of an tip or a recommendation. This is just my view on the market for tomorrow. And tomorrow I will be posting a dedicated video for swing trading for upcoming weeks. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.